Hey guys, it's your girl Vess, and we are back with another speed paint. We are here with the throuple piece that I promised. Now, y'all, we are running this Kickstarter still. If you want to help with supporting, definitely sharing. The link will be in the description and also be on that little eye thing that's next to my head. So all you gotta do is click it and yeah, check it out, man. I am running these like different things, like doing these speed arts back to back. So I don't know where we at right now, but we're getting close to the finish line. Our deadline is July 4th, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So please be sure to check it out. We're doing fantastic. We are on Projects We Love on Kickstarter, which is a huge thing. Feel very much gratitude towards it. I didn't mention it in my last video because I was I was just doing these back to back, and literally it was just, you know, going by the day and doing them, and I didn't even think about it. But dude, this is amazing. Thank you guys all for the support, for those who have support and shared the Kickstarter, and just, you know, uplift the whole situation. I really and truly appreciate you guys. I have been on the look for a new printer because my printer, like my main printer dude, he went ahead and he had to close down shop because the company that he had for his copier wasn't giving out toners anymore. Like, they were selling them, or he wasn't able to get them on the list. So I did find another one that is trusted with him, and I really like them because they are so much, you know, when it comes down to like customer service wise, they are very much on it. So I am definitely going to be using them, and being that they have the same setup as my printer, it's going to be a lot more easier because I don't have to like edit too much. Because I was going to go with Kablam, but Kablam is stupid expensive for no reason. Like, y'all a big company. Y'all need to cut it out. It's just paper. Like, paper and ink. But beside the point, I'm not coming for them. Y'all got to make y'all hustle. Beside the point, I'm here with this throuple picture. So, I decided to have Fuji, Aiden, and Vincent all together in one poster type magazine looking display. I had a lot of fun with this because it was just, I don't know, like usually when I draw her, Justin says I make her face look very much scared or like worried, or like, you know how like regular anime girls be like, but I was like, you know what, this time she's going to be determined to have these two. So we gave her a more determined face, and he's happy with it. He's like, yeah, that's the way it's supposed to be, Vess. You're not supposed to just make her look like she's regretting it. So we got her looking very much nice. I decided to give both men nice looking shirts that have like designs on it. My chat had me cracking up. They said that the shirt that I gave Aiden makes him look like a youth pastor. I was just rolling. I'm like, man, I'm telling you guys, if you have not been to my streams, definitely come by. It's funny. Like, you guys make me crack up daily. Not only are we reacting to silly TikToks and videos, but I'm just reacting to you guys. Just like the things y'all say, it's like, why? Oh, I could just sit here and laugh just by thinking about half the stuff y'all say. But man, definitely Post Nation is the best community ever. I said it. I don't care what anybody has to say. My community is the best community out there. Not only are y'all supportive, but y'all just some really creative, great people in general. Like, I could hang out with y'all every day type stuff. I basically do, right? So definitely come by the stream. It's 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Fridays. On Twitch, I have the links down below, y'all. I used to do it on YouTube. I used to stream on YouTube, but YouTube is I don't know, man. Maybe one day I will try to stream over here again, but We'll see, because you know, it was giving me a little bit of a hassle. And then the last time, you remember, the last time I got taken off from YouTube from even streaming. So that's why I had to go back. You know, I had to go to Twitch. So yeah, it's like, you know, walking on eggshells when you're on YouTube. You can't do certain things, you know. And I'm not saying that I'm trying to do anything wild, because I'm not. But a lot of the time, like, people would, you know, report your stuff for no reason, and then you have to go through hoops just to even get YouTube to look at your stuff and to say, okay, yeah, the person who did do that was wrong. So, you know, it's a lot, but we'll make it. We'll get through this. We get through this. The Kickstarter so far is going so well. I appreciate you guys so very much. You don't understand this whole experience. I don't know. It feels like every time I make a Kickstarter, you guys make the experience so much better, and it just gives me so much hope and enthusiastic. It makes me enthusiastic to continue the story, because it makes me feel like y'all love it. So definitely very, very much gratitude towards each and every one of you guys. Even if, you know, you couldn't put anything in and you shared, that's still something that I am gratitude for, because you didn't have to do that, you know what I'm saying? So definitely, man. Oh, so with this picture, decided to add Aiden's wings, and then when it came down to Vincent, I decided to add his shape power, because I wanted to show off, you know, just a little bit more than, you know, just them there. You know what I'm saying? So it was mostly just me figuring it out, making sure everything looked good, and then like displaying what like Celestial Pulse is with the powers and stuff like that. So I wanted to add all those little details. With Fuji, I decided to add all 3 of the kingdoms, the emblems on her earrings. And you know, hers is basically the last emblem, and I made it bigger so that represents her. So yeah, I was just, you know, playing around with everything, making sure that, you know, we got everything that had to do with like Celestial Pulse in there, and just like take them out of the element, because like this is something that will never happen in Celestial Pulse. But you know, the fans, the people who actually read the lore and stuff like that, they ship people. So as a creator, you know, we have a duty. We have a duty to like give y'all what y'all be saying and asking for. So we like to well, for me personally, I like to take it to the next level. So like, you know, I have some people who ship different characters, and I'm like, you know what, let me draw that sounds interesting, let's see how that would look, right? If you guys like what I've been doing lately, definitely thumbs up on the video. I have never said thumbs up in a long time. It feels like I'm new to this. Hello, I'm Vess. I'm new to this YouTube thing. Welcome. Hello, everyone. Let me stop. I'm kidding. So yeah, like I'm just sitting here hanging out with you guys, and like taking your ideas and putting it together. I'm not too sure if I'm going to be having commissions in between time. But I am going to be definitely possibly showing off the Kickstarter, the first time pledgers. I think I'm going to also do a speed art for that, so that I can show you guys what I've done for them. And you know, post it up on here so that you guys can see, because every time I do a Kickstarter party, I do tend to go ahead and, you know, draw for those who are first time pledgers, and then add it to their rewards. It's just something that I love to do, because again, the people who follow me, the people that, you know, they saved the Kickstarter and stuff like that, and when it dropped, they were like instantly on it. I think y'all deserve to have at least some type of recognition, and, you know, a little bit of extra, because that's that's dedication, man. I don't care what anybody say. That's dedication, and it's very. I'm appreciative to those who just ride or die with me on that, and I couldn't ask for more. You know what I'm saying? So that's just me coming from a very grateful term, or a grateful mindset, right? So for the background, I was gonna do that like mountains with like that two-tone, but Justin said I use that too much, so I had to like do something else. So I decided to do like a moonlight scene, something that's really nighttime. I was thinking about like bedroom type thing, but I wasn't like too sure about all that. So I was like, you know what, let me just have them in like a very nighttime sky type thing. I am sorry for my phone going off, y'all. Like, y'all gonna be hearing that from time to time. I don't understand myself sometimes. Usually I like to mute things, but I don't. You're getting the unprofessional vest. If that makes any sense. And thank you guys for watching the video too, because I don't think I'd be thanking y'all too much. But yeah, I do appreciate each and every one of you guys that actually sit back and watch all the videos. That's awesome, man. And for those who comment, you know, I've been seeing the comments. Even when I do like the Twitch, like when I do my Twitch clips and I put them up here on Twitter, on YouTube. Wow. I use Twitter too, y'all. So definitely come down, hang out with your girl on Twitter. Oh, let me stop, man. I'm doing too much now. I'm doing too much. So yeah, I'm just hanging, y'all. Hanging out with y'all. Hanging out with y'all here. Doing the most. But yeah, I decided to go with that moonlight scene. Give it, you know, some vibrance, and it tied it up together because it feels like her dress and like just her in general is wrapping everybody together. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if y'all get in that notion, but it feels like that to me. Cause like I feel like when it came down to like Vincent and Aiden's colors, I went with like that warm look, and then like her, she has that warm look to her, but she has that very cool dress. So the cool background and the dress kind of wraps everybody together in the middle, and you get that like look. And then I decided to go with, being that this is her, you know, she's the Celestial Union's heiress. So next queen in line, right? So definitely wanted to show that off and give it all the love it needed. I had a little bit of trouble with this part here, but it's alright, you know, I got through it. So this is how it came out looking. It came out looking really nice. I really love these posters. Like, honestly, my favorite posters I've ever made when it came to like celestial posts, and I think it's because I'm playing off of what the fans want to see. So definitely, if you guys have any ideas for any, just let me know, man, in the comments. I definitely will keep it in the back of my brain when I decide to make some more, because I'm definitely going to be making more of these. I think I'm going to make a series of thirst traps. I think that's going to be, it's going to be called Thirst Traps. This is number 3 of Thirst Traps. But yeah, guys, again, if you haven't done so and you want to, we do have the Kickstarter going. So definitely hit up that Kickstarter, man. We are trying to get the stretch goals. So if you want these thirst traps in your rewards, come on down and please share. I appreciate you guys so very much. If you haven't known and you haven't done so, I stream on Twitch 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so definitely come down, hang out with us. We would love to have you guys just chilling with us. Thank you so much for watching the video. I love y'all. Be safe. Bye.